Hello guys, Ganesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we will continue our modeling work. So we have completed up to the connecting flange. Okay. Now we are going to doing the windshield area, right? So last video I stopped up to here. Let's see what and all the things that we can do with this. For making the windshield area, okay, let's first make a extrusion surface, okay, which will go to like this. So for that, go to surface law extension and make sure it is tangent curves. Select all the curves where it is stopping. Okay, now it's okay. Now select the vector as this. Okay, okay. The okay, decrease the value. So 50. Enter. Curve must from a single connected chain. Okay. Okay guys, I don't know what the mistake it is. Okay, let's try to do it again. Go for tangent curve. see see how it is happening. Okay, let's hide this offset surface and let's try to trim this off. Okay. How can we trim this off? Go to curve, bridge curve, select this, select the curve. Okay, that's fine. And second curve, I'll choose this, and the length would be 20. Okay, so click on OK. Okay, double click on it and make sure the first condition would be 0. Okay, second condition would be 20. Okay, now let's trim them off. Go to surface, trim sheet. Okay, hide this. So now you will be having a continuous edge there. Okay, let's check for whether we have that kind of problems anywhere else. Okay, okay, let's try to do law extension one more time. Okay, see the tangent curves. So the curves having the tangent continuity, those are all get selected. So that is what we want also. And now let's specify the vector like this way and unhide this offset surface. Okay, the direction is not this way. Okay, let's try to change the direction. Yeah, it is okay. The length I don't need that much, so 60 is, yeah, more than enough. 50 is also fine. Enter. Yeah, 15 is also fine. Now the draft. So right now this is in a negative draft angle, so I have to convert into positive draft angle. Now this is my draft angle, but the draft seems like more bent, right? So the angle I have to reduce it, so reduce it up to 10. So 10 is fine for me, seems like fine. Okay, so click on OK. Let's, so in order to trim this area, I want this surface to be extended, right? So extend surface. Let's try to extend a little value like this. That's fine. Okay. Now let's trim them off. Go to trim and extend. Sorry, I'm not using trim and extend now because I need to do a small operations here also. That's why I'm not doing that now. sorry guys, yeah, okay, I'm just using the trim sheet option. I want to trim this sheet with respect to this boundary. Okay, so that is what the reason I want. Click on OK. Now you see everything is okay. Now I want to connect this area. How that can be done easily? Okay, let's try to do one thing. So go to curve, bridge curve. First curve this one and make the value 0, and the second curve. Okay, but before that I don't want this much of length, this flange. Okay, so what I'm doing, offset curving face, select the curve, go for single curve only, and select the face, go for single face only. Okay, go for only 10 value. Okay, click on OK. Now let's trim them off. Go to surface, trim sheet. See, the sheets are all get selected. Okay, I don't want that. Make sure this yellow target edges as a tool object, and then boundary you can choose this, and then okay, wait guys, trim sheet, select the sheet, and the boundary, select this line first, and then you can make sure this tick is on, so that you can even select the boundaries right from your parent surface also. Okay, okay, now, so now the region I don't go. Okay guys, okay, I have a problem here again. So trim sheet, there is no any option to select only single face. So how can we achieve that? Okay. I used NX 2027 guys, so that feature, that software is having that feature, so we can even select the single face from the trim sheet. So here you can see the sheet body, the entire sheets are getting selected, but I think there is one more option called undo. Yeah, undo operation. I want to undo. Okay, let's make it a single face only. I want to select this, click on apply. Now trim sheet, now it is working, right? So I want to keep that region, I want to discard that orange region, click on OK. So that's it guys, so hide it, and then use the go to curve, bridge curve, select the first curve, and make sure the value at the start point would be 0, enter, and the first condition would be tangent continuity. The second point, I don't want any tangent continuity there. Okay, and the value should be also 0. Okay, apply. The same thing I'm going to do in the opposite corner also. So 0, enter. The second condition would be here, G1, 0, enter, and change the direction. is not working again. So bridge curve, the first curve, 0, enter. Okay, if bridge curve is failing, you will be having one more option that is called studio spline. So select the point and make sure the G1 continuity. G1 is nothing but the tangent continuity. Okay, and the second point would be the intersection point. So the intersection point. So intersection, you don't need to keep any tangent continuity there. No guys, I can't use that now. So go to bridge curve option only. Okay, what I have done earlier, I hope you remember it. Unshoe, I want to unshoe this also. Okay, and then the trim operation, offset curve in face. Okay, and I'll select this curve also, and the face I'll select this face also. Click on OK. Now see, this is OK. Hide it. Now use the bridge curve. So first curve, OK, and the curve would be this 0, enter. Okay, the first condition is also you have to keep 0 value. So that's it guys. I think tangent and magnitude. Okay, let's adjust this value up to how you need. Okay, so how I need, I cannot predict it. Okay, so you will be having inner panel and you will be having that inner panel protrudes up to here. So you have to take up to like this only. Okay, so this is okay. Now the same thing, you know it already. So use the sweep option, set the first curve and then the second curve, and the guide would be first guide and then into second guide. Okay, click on OK. After that, it seems like it will create thickening problem. So what I do, I'll just go to this pitch curve and here I'll manage this. So start condition, that would be fine. The end condition, yeah, we will see about it later. Okay, this may definitely create thickening issues guys. Anyway, we'll see about it later. So okay, it's time to trim all this. So go to extend sheet. I want to extend this sheet first and then this. Okay, seems like okay. Apply and okay, this is fine. Now let's join these two. Show result. Okay, it is joining. Now sew this also. Apply. Now trim these together. I think that would working. Yeah, it is not leaving any problems also. Okay, so let's try to apply the blends now. The 4 mm blend. So without any problem, it is also worked. So these two are not joined together. Let's sew them and then use the edge blend option. 4 mm. Okay, so here I don't know whether it is work or not. Up to here the curve is selected. Okay, everything is okay. Okay, let's try to check the draft analysis. Okay, go to analysis, draft, specify the vector and then select the surfaces. See, even up to here every face falls under the draft condition, but here you can see that anyway we are going to trimming this. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so that's it guys, that's up to this video. Okay, and the next thing we are making next video we are going to seeing about the creating strength embossers and then the adjusting point. Okay, so those and all things we are going to see in the next video. And one more thing, so let's try to use the thicken operation in this at this stage, whether it is working or not. So it is working on one direction and another direction. Yeah, two directions it is working. That means up to here we are not having any issue. So that's it guys, that's up to this video. So if you want to get update for next video, please do subscribe to our channel and have a good day.